Example number 8, draw the shear in moment diagram for the beam shown in the figure. So as you can see here, we have a beam, a simply supported beam with the trapezoidal load over the span AB. So lalagyan natin ito ng AB. Now, since this is a simply supported beam, so we have here two reactions at the hinge support. This is the AY and the AX. And here at the roller, we have one reaction, BY. Now, let us solve for the reactions at the supports, but what we are going to do is to compute for the resultant of the load. So, meron akong previous na video uploaded na doon pinakita ko yung tatlong ways in order for us to compute for the reactions, or ilalagay ko siya dito sa may description ng video na to. So doon pinakita kung tatlong paraan in order for us to solve for the reactions of the support. So ito yung first, hinati natin into rectangle and triangle, and the other one is hinati ko siya into two triangles, and of course yung isa ay gamit yung mismo yung trapezoid, wherein doon ay in-apply natin si Varinius theorem. Okay, so for the reaction of the rectangular load, so we have here the reaction 1, and this is just the area of the rectangle. So if this has a length of 9, so this is 9 meters, yung area ng rectangle natin is 9 times the magnitude of the rectangular load, that's 10 kilonewton per meter, so we have here 90 kilonewton. For the resultant of the uniformly varying load here, which is so this one, and this is the area of the triangle. So kung itong part na to ay 10, so if this is 30, meaning ito sa triangle is 20. So we have here 1/2, the base is 9, and the height is 20. And this is also equal to 90 kilonewton. Now for the distance, dito ko siya i-base sa B. Yung distance nitong resultant ng uniformly varying natin, or the triangular load, is just 1/3 of 9. So this is equal to 3 meters. And for the distance of the uniformly distributed, this is just half of 9. So meaning this is 4.5 meters. Okay, so let us solve for the reactions of the supports. If we are going to summate forces horizontal is equal to 0, taking the direction to the right as positive, then si EX is equal to 0 kasi wala naman siyang kalaban. And if we are going to summate moment at point B, this is equal to 0, taking the clockwise direction as positive. So AY will create a clockwise rotation, so we have their AY multiplied by the distance of 9 meters. This 90 kilonewton here, the resultant of the rectangular load, would rotate counterclockwise, so this is negative 90 multiplied by the moment arm, that is 4.5 meters. And this 90 kilonewton here, which is the resultant of the triangular load, is also negative since it will rotate counterclockwise, and it has the moment arm of 3 meters. This is equal to 0. So solving for the value of AY, we have, so solving for the value of AY, we have 75 kilonewton. So we have here 75 kilonewton. Since positively lumabas sa sagot, meaning tama yung assumption natin that AY is directed upward. If we are going to summate forces vertical is equal to 0, taking the upward direction as positive, then we have here the AY, which is 75 kilonewton, minus 90, ito yung mga resultants ng load natin, plus BY is equal to 0. So BY is equal to 180 minus 75. And that is 105. So we have here By is equal to 105 kilonewton. Okay, so since we already computed for the reactions at the support, ay pwede na natin i-drawing yung ating shear diagram and the moment diagram. So for the shear diagram, so shear at A is equal to the reaction AY, which is equal to 75 kilonewton. So dito ay meron tayong 75 kilonewton. And for B, we have here the reaction or the shear at A minus natin ito ng area ng ating load diagram. So we have here the shear at B is equal to 75 kilonewton minus yung area natin. So for the rectangle, you have 90 and for the triangle, you have 90. So yung shear at B is equal to so we have here negative 105 kilonewton. Okay, so in here we have negative 105 kilonewton. So in connecting the 75 and the 105, so using the dYIX, we have here the increasing load, no, sa load diagram natin. Therefore, we bend the x-axis. So to bend the x-axis ay ito siya. Yan. So ngayon ay kukumpitin natin itong x. So, ang unang gagawin mo dito, iisipin mo na ito ay parabola, no? So, gagawa ka ng mag-SPP ka, pero using the SPP ay hindi mo mapalabas itong previous na sagot natin, no? So, kung ang previous na sagot natin doon kay x is 4.867, so dito ay mamroblema ka ngayon kung bakit hindi siya lumabas yung 4.867. Kasi ang scenario nito, hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng SPP. Kasi ito ay tatlong area yung involved dito, hindi lang spandrel at saka itong parabola. So, ang involved na area ay ito. Kung titingnan natin, bubuuhin ko siya. Itong triangle na to, part, ay nabuo galing dito sa rectangle. No? Itong rectangle na to ay which has pangalanan ko siyang may area 1, no, ay nag-contribute dito sa shear ng area 1. And itong triangle naman na to, natatawagin nating area 2, ay ito siya, yung magnitude ng shear dyan sa area 2. So, tatlong area yung involved dito. We have this area nung triangle. Ito yun. And we have this area 2, itong area ng spandrel. Ayan. So, itong area na to ay tatawagin nating area 3. And then this one. And then this one ay tatawagin kong area 4. So, para makuha natin yung area nito, which is, papangalanan ko siyang area 5. Okay? So, ganito talaga, mas masalimuot yung computation kapag higher na yung degree, no, ng curve at mas marami na yung involved na shapes. Mas madaling gamitin yung shear and moment function kesa dito sa area method. So, kailangan nating makuha itong value ng x, no? Kasi since alam natin na this is 75. So, in solving for the value of x, magsisimula tayo dito sa area 1. So, idea ng area 1, if area 1 is equal to 10 times x, so this is 10x. And for area 2, no, so that is 1/2 xy. Ayan. So by ratio and proportion, nung if this is 20, this is y, diba? This is x. Ulit-ulit na lang to. we have here y is equal to 20x over 9. So, meaning, yung area 2 natin is equal to 1/2 x times 20x over 9, which is equal to 10x squared over 9. So, from here, alam natin na yung pinagsamang area 1 and area 2 is just equal to 75 because we have here 75 minus area 1 and area 2. So, kaya nagkaroon ng synchronous shear. So, we have here area 1 is equal to 10x and the area 2 is 10x squared over 9 is equal to 75. No? So, solving for the value of x, i-rewrite natin yung equation natin in such a way na naka-format siya dun sa calculator. This is equal to 0. So, solving for the value of x using the mode function, so mode 5 and that's 3. This is 10 over 9 and for b that's 10 and for c that's negative 75. So, we have here 4.867 at saka, ayan, yung x2 is negative 13. So, yung x1, ito yung 4.867. So, yung x1 natin is 4.867 meters. And if we are going to compare this with our previous solution, no, 4.867 din yung x natin dyan. No? Ayan. So, since alam na natin yung value ng x, then, compute natin itong kabila. No? So, yung area 3 and area 4 later ay gagamitin natin para makompute natin si area 5. Kasi si area 5, yun yung moment natin, no, dito. Reiterate ko lang na hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung squared property of parabola dito because as we can see here, we have 3 areas, si area 3, area 4, and area 5. Magagamit lang natin yung squared property of parabola if we have just the spandrel and the parabola, no? Okay, so for this naman, kailangan mapasara natin siya. This distance here is actually 9 minus x. Okay, so compute muna natin yung moment natin dito sa point na to. This is our maximum moment. And since nakikita natin dito that we have here decreasing, so dy, and ibibend natin yung ating y-axis. And this is a degree 3 curve na kasi degree 2 tayo dito. Okay, so compute natin yung area 5 kasi yung moment natin dito, yun yung area 5 natin. No, so we have here moment at A is equal to 0. And moment at this point here, pangalan natin point C, no? At C, kung point C ito, that is equal to 75x minus, bakit 75x? Ito rectangle kasi 75 and x. Minusan natin ng area 3 and area 4. Actually, that is equal to area 5. No? So, yung moment natin at C is equal to 75x minus yung area 3 natin, that's triangle, so 1/2 yung x natin dyan, 1/2 yung base natin dito is area 1. Ilan si area 1? Si area 1 ay 10x and yung height nito is x minus yung area 4, that's 1/3. Yung base natin dito is area 2, that's 10x squared over 9, and yung height nito is x. Okay? So, substitute na lang natin yung x kanina. At ang nangyayari dito, pang kamukha lang din to ng ano, no? Kamukha nung ginagawa natin dun sa shear and moment function. So, mas masalimuot lang yung nangyari. So, we have here 10 over 27x cubed, no? natin sa previous na sagot natin, yes, 203.89. Kasi actually, ang napalabas lang natin dito, ito no, equation din ng moment. And para mapasara natin to, so kakailanganin natin itong dalawang area na to. This area here, no, sa triangle, ito ay nabuo galing dito sa area na to ng rectangle. And itong spandrel naman ay nabuo siya galing dito sa ito pala siya. Yan, no? Kasi itong rectangle, ito yan, para dito yan. So, itong rectangle na to, pangalanan ko tong anong area na tayo? Area 6. Tapos itong triangle sa taas, parang bagoong nating solution natin, area 7, no? And ito yung area 8. Ito naman si area 8 at ito si area 9. No? So, ang area 7 natin, that is the height of the spandrel. And si area 6 natin, that is the height of this triangle here. No? So, yun yung kukumputin natin. Dapat kapag kinumpute natin si area 7 at saka si area 6, pag pinag-add natin yan, ang dapat mapalabas natin itong 105. Okay, so i-isolate natin ha. Ito. I-isolate natin siya. Itong height na to, this is actually 10 plus y. Okay? So, since our y and this part here is 9 minus x. No? So, galing dun sa may previous na solution natin, yung y natin dito is equal to 20x over 9. So, yung y natin dito is equal to 20x over 9 and yung x natin is equal to 4.867. Ayan. So, computin muna natin itong mga values na to. If y is 20x over 9, so x is 4.867. So, we have 4.867 times 20 over 9. We have here 10.816. So, 10.816 yun yung y natin. So, ito, si 9 minus x, we have 9 minus 4.867. This is equal to 4.133. No? And that 10 plus y here, so we have here 20.816. So, we have here 20.816. So, kung ang total na height nito, so, kung total na height nito is 30 rather. So, 30 minus 20.816, we have here 9.184. So, this is 9.184. And from this, ay pwede na nating makompute ngayon yung area 6 and area 7. So, this is our area 7 and this is our area 6. Now, so area 6 is area lang ng rectangle. So, that's 4.133 multiplied by 20.816. We have here 4.133 times 20.816. That's 86.023. So, this is 86.023. And for the area 7, area ng triangle, so 1/2. Yung base natin ay 4.133 and yung height natin is 9.184. So we have here 1/2 times 4.133 times 9.184. So we have here 18.979. So this is 18.979. So kapag pinag-add natin to, we have 86.023 plus 18.979. We have 105.002. So 105.002, approximately 105. Wherein yung sabi ko nga kanina, pag pinagsama natin si area 6 and 7, so dapat 105 siya. So that's correct. Okay, so out of this, we now compute for the value of area 8 and area 9. And kung titingnan natin dito, yung area 8 and area 9, pag pinagsama natin, dapat yan ay equal sa 203.89. Ito yon kasi sila yung ima-minus natin doon para mapa-zero natin yung moment natin dito. So, for area 8, we have here a triangle. So, 1/2. Yung base natin is area 6. Ang area 6, that's 86.023. And yung height natin dito is 9 minus x, which is 4.133. So, we have here 1/2 times 86.023 plus times 4.133, and we have here 177.767. So we have 177.767. And for area 9, we have here a spandrel, so 1/3. No, kasi ito ay degree 2. Ang base natin is area 7, so that's 18.979, and the height is 4.13 feet. So we have 1/3 times 18.979 times 4.133, and we have here 26.147. So 26.147. So check natin yung sum nitong area 8 and area 9. So we have 177.767 plus 26.147, and we have 203.914. So 203.914, and approximately this is 203.9. Now, kung i-round off din natin to na 203.9, therefore magko-close na siya. So maliit lang yung error natin. Kung titingnan natin, we have minus 203.89. Ang error natin dito ay 0.024. So maliit na to. Napa-close na natin siya. So we have here increasing, so magbe-bend tayo ng x-axis, and this is our curvature, degree 3 curve to. So ito ngayon yung ating ang ating moment diagram. No, so palagi kong sinasabi at the start na palaging advantage yung paggamit natin, no, ng shear and moment function sa mga problems na marami na yung shapes yung involved or mas higher na yung degree ng curve na nasa low diagram natin, no, kasi exhibition talaga yung computation kapag area method yung gamit natin dito. Okay, so see you sa next na mga problems pa natin sa shear and moment diagram.